Let's check out easily the best, very affordable, universal AC remote control that works with any air conditioning unit. So in this video, let's check out the remote control, and also I'll show you how to use it and also how to pair it with your AC unit as well. Also, if you're looking to get this remote control, in the description I'll include a special discount link that you can use and get it for absolutely insane price. So personally, I got mine from AliExpress and I paid only like $1, and that also offers with free shipping for this price. I think it's absolutely insane. So yeah, when you get your remote control, when it comes to build quality, obviously, for this price, I really can't complain at all. It actually is very decent. So you see, first let's insert the batteries. Okay, and it uses 2 of these AAA batteries essentially. Okay, and then you see it's pretty much ready to use. And the first time you actually launch it, you will have to actually pair it with your AC unit as well. So let's turn it on using the on-off button. Also you see the display actually is fairly decent as well on it. So you see on the top we have basically the sensors that you have to actually point at your AC unit. So again, when you are setting up basically the remote control, make sure it's basically nearby your AC, and also basically these sensors are pointing directly on the AC. But first let me show you the manual of it so you can explore for yourself and see what we actually get here. So it has got various ways how to connect it. We are going to cover most of them, so I'll show you. So simply feel free to pause the video wherever you need. So it comes with basically the code list that you need for your AC. So again, you can maybe pause the video here. Find for your brand. And I actually have like a better code list actually. This included is absolute junk, so it's in half Chinese. So anyway, so I suggest you to actually use this code list over here, it's much better. So again, simply pause and find your AC model here. And basically some of them you see they also use like a range of codes, so you have to actually like kind of try multiple different ones. Okay. So for example, if you want to use it for LG, it would be between the 600 and 609 essentially. So I see it supports pretty much any AC unit. So then, basically how to actually connect it to your AC unit. So there are 2 different ways. First, if you know the code already of your AC, it's very easy. And also we have automatic like detection of the code as well. So first, if you know the code, so you can simply press and hold the set button for maybe like 5 or 6 seconds. Then you see this code sign actually starts to blink, and using these buttons we can go up or down. So simply enter your code. So you can also like press and hold to advance much faster. So you see much faster. So simply find the code, and once you basically have entered your code, simply press OK basically, and your AC unit should make a beep, or also like turn on as well. So either it will make a beep or will turn on basically. So once you have the correct code. So again, for example, if basically your AC unit has got a range, for example, 450 between 452, that means you have to actually try like all the codes between these ranges essentially. So again, you would simply press and hold your set button, and then simply set the code and see if your AC actually like makes a beep or turns on. So again, most ACs should make a beep basically, and it should respond basically to this code once it's entered. And once you have found the code, simply press the OK button. And then also let me show you the second method. So you can actually ask this remote control to basically try those codes on its own. So like try to guess it basically. So if you want to engage this mode, see what I'm doing. I'm simply pressing and holding again the set button, and you basically want to hold it till you see that it's blinking and moving to the next. So you see basically it moved from 766 to like a bit more. And once you see that it's happening, simply release the set button. Again, it will simply like test out these codes. Okay. Let me show you again. So let's turn it off. So again, I'm simply going to keep holding the set button till I see the code actually starts to blink and then starts to go up basically. And once you see that it starts to go up, release basically at that point essentially. So again, once it moves up, release then. So you see, I'm holding, maybe 5 or 6, it starts to blink, wait for it basically like start to move up and then release the set button. So, and essentially it's testing basically each code, and you simply have to take your remote control and simply point at your AC essentially. Also, if you can manually turn on the AC, also make sure to do that obviously. So again, make sure the sensors are pointing basically at your AC and you are at maybe like a meter distance or something like that essentially. So as close as you can get essentially. And once it essentially finds the code, your AC will make a beep or will turn on or off essentially. So again, most ACs will simply make a beep, and simply pay attention on which number basically your AC makes that beep, and that is your number essentially. So and yeah, basically if you basically hear the beep but it obviously will continue basically like going up, so again you simply like manually decrease the sign till you hear again the beeping sound again of your AC essentially, and then simply press OK, and then you can start using your AC. So you see, when it comes to support and modes, it pretty much has most functions. By the way, also on some ACs, maybe some functions might actually not work properly. So again, but for most, it should be okay. So you see, for example, we have like the speed for the fan essentially, auto speed, rotation. We can increase or decrease the temperature basically here, like this cooling mode, or also like heating mode. We can also set a timer basically, so your AC would like turn off after a certain time. But again, your AC actually has to support these functions. So you see, for example, we can set, basically after how long your AC will also like turn off essentially. And also you see, you can also set your clock here as well. Obviously, make sure to do that. So you see, if you press and hold a bit, you can also change the clock here, also from the PM to AM. Okay, also minutes. So make sure this is obviously like accurate. Also, this even appears to have like flashlight as well, which it isn't very bright, but maybe in nighttime actually very cool. So for the price you are paying, I think this remote control is absolutely awesome. Again, it works with pretty much like 99.9 percent of AC basically manufacturers. So actually pretty cool. Anyway, if you want to get again for cheapest price possible, simply check out those special discount links I leave literally for like $1 with free shipping. This is absolutely awesome. Okay, good luck.